In this video, you'll learn the easiest way I've found to be successful as a YouTube creator by using automation to produce cash cow money-making channels, but not in the way you might think. This is going to be fun, so let's jump into it. The cash cow monetization method is a simple monetization process that works like this. You choose a niche and research the pain points people in this niche have. You then start producing videos that solve these issues. When you can solve people's problems, they will watch your videos, and it's really that simple. The more people dealing with the problem, the more clicks and views you can get. So what's the hard part, you ask? Well, it has been creating quality videos. To produce a great video as a YouTube creator is hard. It just is. The time and effort involved can feel overwhelming, so let's cover that now, because it's not one problem, but multiple video creation challenges to overcome. However, the great news is, once you know how it's done and can manually do all the work on your own, you'll be able to produce all the videos you need. Creating a profitable cash cow automated YouTube channel then becomes simple. Getting to that point where you know what you're doing and being able to do the work on your own efficiently has always been complicated, but rest assured, there is a way to get this work done and even shortcut the work without shortcutting the professional video results. Coming up, I will provide a free solution you can use to ensure you can create your first automated and monetized YouTube channel and start seeing great success. I'm also exposing some pure BS that you need to know about. That is, if you want to be successful with this method. But you have to watch each minute of this video because each part builds upon the next until you completely understand this process. I want to emphasize that faceless YouTube video channels are simple to run, but you need to know how it all works. Then apply the high profit generating methods I'm about to share, and you can expect to be able to walk away from your job after getting your channel rolling, of course. The BS I spoke of earlier deals with the YouTube gurus who tell you that it is easy to make great YouTube videos that get traffic and views by doing all the tedious but necessary tasks on your own. The truth is, it is not. There's a lot more that goes into a successful channel than producing great videos, and you have to know that part too. Now, I know you're probably saying, what the heck? I thought this would be simple. It is, but in a specific way, even for new channels. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you. So keep watching all the way through, and it will make total sense by the end of this video. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of creating a successful automation channel. And you want to hear how it works because it's highly profitable. The new way of creating faceless YouTube videos starts with leveraging AI. Creators can save time and resources while maintaining a high standard of content quality, which is crucial for attracting and retaining viewers. One of the most critical aspects of a YouTube creator's success is thorough topic research. Proper research is critical to your success. Understanding what your audience is searching for and what content resonates with them can make or break your channel. Automated videos have become top money-making niches on YouTube thanks to their scalability and efficiency. And here's the game changer: one-click video creation. Well, more precise is one-prompt video creation, at least with a powerful AI such as InVideo AI. AI has made it 90% easier to create high-quality videos, plus a lot more than we will get into in a moment. Tools like InVideo AI have emerged as game changers for YouTube creators by significantly simplifying the video production process. Your first question probably is, what does InVideo AI and similar tools do for you? In a nutshell, AI leverages artificial intelligence for topic research and content creation. This may sound simple, but research is one of the most time-consuming steps in the video creation process, which makes it critically important. Thousands of YouTube creators are earning a full-time income by producing faceless, automated videos because AI can now do almost all of the fact-checking and data research for you. These creators are capitalizing on the power of AI to streamline their workflows and ensure their content is always relevant and engaging. With the wave of new AI technologies, it has never been easier to get started making video content and start making money on YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, AI tools can transform your approach, making the entire process more efficient and effective. So if you're looking to break into the YouTube scene or elevate your current channel, now is the perfect time to harness the power of AI for your video production needs. Hi, this is Michael from The Wealth Formula. It is my new YouTube channel, well, new depending on when you see this video, but it is a channel I've dedicated to helping anyone with the desire to get out of the rat race of the 9-to-5, make your dream come true by becoming a highly profitable YouTube creator. I hope you will take the time to watch this entire video series so you too can get your share of the thousands of dollars being made via YouTube. Now back to the video. Creating videos the traditional way can be fraught with challenges that deter many aspiring creators. Research isn't the only challenge. Nothing can be skipped or half-stepped if you want quality videos. So let's cover the other barriers to success you will run into and that AI video creators can now do for you. They include 1, again, your research can be acquired using AI technology. 2, difficulty in sourcing appropriate images and media. 3, time-consuming script writing and video editing. 4, the need for multiple tools to achieve professional results. And 5, high costs associated with maintaining video quality and engagement. Each of these pain points can be a barrier to effective and efficient video production, impacting the overall productivity of your channel. In video, AI addresses the challenges mentioned above by automating the key processes in video production. This is how research AI algorithms can quickly gather and process information relevant to chosen topics. Media sourcing automatically finds and integrates images and clips that match the content. Script writing generates engaging scripts based on the input data and prevailing viewer preferences. Video assembly efficiently compiles videos, ensuring professional pacing and engagement hooks. Cost efficiency reduces the need for multiple tools, lowering overall production costs. These features make InVideo AI an indispensable tool for anyone serious about running a successful YouTube cash cow channel. But it only solves one side of the success pancake. Let's flip this over to see what is on the other side. Real quick, if you find this video valuable, subscribe for access to the full series. I'll teach you everything about establishing your channel and making money quickly. By following this series, you can reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 3 to 6 months, often sooner. I'll provide all the know-how you need, so subscribe for this free training. Now let's continue with this special content. To prove it, I have a golden nugget of information coming up that turned my previous channel around, literally within 30 short days. So with the use of an AI video generator such as InVideo AI, you now have a great professional video. That's great, but now what? Unfortunately, the myth that if you build it, or in this case create it, and they will watch isn't a sound strategy. You see, the problem is you are doing YouTube creation backward. And here is that golden nugget I just spoke about. By doing this next part, I was able to turn a channel around, and the next 9 videos got 7 times more views than the 31 previous videos combined had ever gotten. And it's not just my channel. The big channels, including Mr. Beast, have used the same technique. And here it is. Don't make videos about things you like and then try to find people to match the content. Instead, you first find out what content people want and are already looking for, and then make videos based on that data. Think of it as research before the research. That's how you will get viewers' attention, and that's how you get views. And yes, now there is an AI system for this. Let's talk about it. To ensure that your videos reach your target audience and get lots of clicks and views, it's crucial to understand and implement SEO strategies specific to YouTube. vidIQ is a powerful tool that aids in this process by providing insights into the best keywords and trends that can improve your video's visibility. The effective use of vidIQ not only helps in optimizing your content, but also ensures that it reaches a wider audience, increasing your chances of success on the platform. There's niche specific content, and then there's broad niche content, and you need both. Another reason you should hit that subscribe button now is that I can't cover all the ins and outs of the two in this video, but I will cover it in a video coming up in this series. So I'm just saying it would be to your benefit to subscribe and keep this training going. Just throwing that out. The other side of building a profitable automated YouTube channel includes traffic, and for new channels that means keyword research is essential. vidIQ helps identify keywords with high search volumes but low competition, making it easier for new channels to rank higher. This strategic approach to keyword research ensures you are creating content that attracts traffic from the start. Generating consistent traffic is key to the success of any YouTube channel. Strategies such as regular posting, engaging with viewers through comments, and creating content based on viewer feedback can help maintain and grow your audience. Additionally, promoting your videos on other social media platforms can also drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Leveraging affiliate marketing for monetization. Affiliate marketing is a potent tool for monetizing YouTube content without needing to meet the platform's criteria for ad revenue sharing. By linking to products or services within video descriptions, creators can earn commissions from purchases made through these links. Making $500 to $1,000 or more monthly before you hit YouTube's ad revenue monetization is not uncommon when you properly apply affiliate marketing to your content creation process. This method of monetization can be particularly lucrative in high converting niches, making it an excellent strategy for new channels. Top niches for maximum YouTube revenue. Certain niches tend to generate more revenue on YouTube due to their widespread appeal and high advertiser interest. The top 4 lucrative niches include 1. Technology and gadgets, 2. Health and fitness, 3. Personal finances, 4. Beauty and fashion. Focusing on these niches can significantly increase the profitability of your YouTube channel. Setting up your channel for success. Starting a YouTube channel involves more than just creating content. It includes optimizing your channel's design, creating an engaging bio, and using attractive thumbnails to draw in viewers. Additionally, understanding YouTube's algorithm and tailoring your content accordingly can enhance your channel's visibility and growth. Consistency is key in keeping your audience engaged and attracting new viewers. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you have to post a video every day or 3 to 5 times per week. The baseline is 1 video per week if you are serious about growing your channel. When using AI video creation tools, you will find that you can easily produce 2 or 3 quality videos per week once you get the hang of it. But again, that production volume is not required to start your channel properly. As we've explored, setting up a successful cash cow automation on YouTube involves a combination of strategic content creation. It used to be a lot harder to do, but now effective use of AI tools can make it easy to create videos, increase channel growth quicker than ever, and get monetization faster than ever before. Links to InVideo AI and vidIQ are available in the comment section below if you're ready to try them out now. In the next video that should be on your screen now, you will learn how affiliate marketing works from beginning to end, so you can potentially start earning some worthwhile income as you continue to grow a huge channel. I haven't forgotten about explaining how to properly target niches. That will be covered soon in the series, and it will transform your business traffic overnight.